Hello students, today we will continue our discussion on the chapter relation and function. Our today's topic is relations. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about the definition and example of relations. This is very important topic, so check this video very carefully. As you can see here, two sets are given. Consider two sets P which contain the element A, B and C, and consider another set Q which contain Ali, Bhanu, Binay, Chanda and Divya. As I told you in the previous video, the Cartesian product of P cross Q will contain 3 into 5, that is 15 elements. Why? Because this P set containing 3 elements and Q set containing 5 elements. That's why the Cartesian product of P cross Q will contain 15 elements, and the element will be in the form of A Ali, A Bhanu, A Binay, A Chandra, A Divya. Okay, again B Ali, B Bhanu, B Binay, B Chanda, B Divya. Similarly, C Ali, C Bhanu, C Binay, C Chanda and C Divya. Okay, this will be the total collection of 15 ordered pair from the set P cross Q. Okay, now you can obtain a subset of P cross Q by introducing a relation. Okay, you can use a relation R between the first element X and the second element Y. Okay, you have to define a relation between the first element X and second element Y so that you can form a subset of P cross Q. Such as, suppose you are taking a relation that relation R containing those ordered pair where the first element X, okay, the first element X is the first letter of the name Y. Okay, the first element X is the first letter of the name Y. That means A, the first element, will be the first letter of Ali. But here A is not the first letter of Bhanu, so it will not contain to this R set. Similarly, A is not the first letter of Binay, so it will not contain in R set. In this way, you can form R set, which will be the collection of A Ali, B Bhanu, B Binay and C Chandra. As you can see in this R set, the first element is the first letter of second element, right? And all the element of this set belongs to P cross Q. That is, you can easily say that R set is a proper subset of P cross Q. This set is called the relation from P to Q. Okay, so you can see this relation in the figure. It is given as Venn diagram. As you can see, this A goes to Ali, this B goes to Bhanu and Binay, and C goes to Chanda. Okay, now we will discuss about the proper definition of relations. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is the subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Now check the previous video. Here P was a non-empty set and Q was also a non-empty set. Okay, and as you can see here, you chose R set in such way that R becomes a proper subset of P cross Q. Right? I explained it previously that this all the element belongs to P cross Q. That is, R set is a subset of P cross Q. That's why this R is a relation from P to Q. So a relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the order pair in A cross B. Okay. As you can see here, the R subset derived by the relation that the first element have to be first letter of the name Y. Okay. What was the condition given for this set in the set builder form? It is given that the first element of the ordered pair have to be the first letter of the name Y. Okay. This is given here. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pair. Okay. Here the second element is called the image of first element. That is, this Ali is the image of A, Bhanu is the image of B, Binoy is the image of B, and Chanda is the image of C. Okay. Now there is some another definition of domain and range. Domain is the set of all first element of the ordered pair in the relation R from A to B is called as the domain of the relation R, and the set of all second element in a relation R from A to B is called range of the relation. So we will check the previous example again. Look at here, this is the relation R. Okay. Now if you collect all the first element from the pair, it will be the collection of A, B and C. This set is equal to domain of the relation. Okay, the collection of first element of the ordered pair is called domain of the relation, where if you collect the second element Ali, Bhanu, Binay, Chanda, it will form the set range of the relation. Okay, that is Ali, then Binay, Bhanu and Chanda. Okay, this will be range of the relation. Okay, so this is the definition of domain and range, and as you can see, range is subset of codomain. What is codomain? The second set of the Cartesian product is considered as codomain. That means, suppose the Cartesian product is A cross B, or the relation is from A to B. Okay, this second set B is considered as codomain. Okay, second set is considered as codomain. This one is considered as codomain. So you can easily say that the range set will become the subset of codomain. Now we will discuss about some example. Let A is the combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation R from A to A by R is the collection of ordered pair where the second element is equal to x plus 1. What is the relation given here? Second element have to be equal to first element plus 1. Okay. So deposit this relation using an arrow diagram. Write down the domain, codomain, range of R. So first of all, we will draw two set. Okay, since the relation is from A to A, so this side it will be A set, this side it will be also A set. Now A set contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see in this diagram, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly here it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the second element have to be 1 plus first element. Okay, that means if you use x equal to 1, because first element x can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any one of them. So when you will put x equal to 1, y will become 2, okay, because 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's why this 1 goes to 2. Similarly, when you are using x equal to 2, y equal to 3, so 2 goes to 3. The same way 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 6. Now if you take x equals to 6, the value of y will become 7. But as you can see, 7 is not here. 7 does not belongs to A. Okay, so there will be no image of this element 6. So the ordered pair will be the collection of 1, 2 because 1 goes to 2, then 2, 3 because 2 goes to 3, then 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Okay, last one is 5, 6. This will be the collection of element of the relation set R. Okay, as you can see, the second element is the image of first element, and for each of the ordered pair they satisfying this condition. Now what will be the domain of this relation? I told you domain is the collection of first element, and the first element are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So domain will be the collection of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, range is the collection of second element, which is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So range is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And codomain, I told you the second set is considered as codomain. This is the second set, which is equal to A, and A contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now question number 8. The figure shows a relation between the set P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form and in roster form. What is its domain and range? Okay, so first of all I'll write it in roster form. In roster form, as you can see, 9 goes to 3 and 9 goes to minus 3. So in the ordered pair it will be 9, 3, 9, minus 3. Similarly 4 goes to 2, 4 goes to minus 2. So the ordered pair will be 4, 2, 4, minus 2. And at last 25 goes to 5 and 25 goes to minus 5. So the ordered pair will become 25, 5, 25, minus 5. So this will be the collection, or this will be the notation of the relation set in roster form. It will contain 6 elements. Now if you look at the first element and the second element in the ordered pair, this is 9, this is 3, and 9 is the square of 3. 9 minus 3, 9 is the square of minus 3 also. Similarly 4, 2, 4 is square of 2, 4 is also the square of minus 2. Then 25 is square of 5, 25 is also square of minus 5. Okay, so you can easily say that the first element is the square of second element, right? So the relation, its set builder form will be R is the collection of ordered pair x, y, where x, the first element, is the square of second element y. Okay, where this first element belongs to P and this second element belongs to Q, because the relation is from P to Q. Okay, in this way you have to form set builder form. Now domain and range. Domain is the collection of first element of the ordered pair, which will be 9, 4, 25. And range is the collection of second element in the relation set. Okay, so it will be 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 5 minus 5. Now we will discuss about question number 9. Let A contains element 1 and 2, B contains 3, 4. Find the number of relation from A to B. Okay, since A contain 2 number of element and B contain 2 number of elements, so A cross B will contain 4 element. Okay, cardinality of A cross B is 4 element. Now I told you the relation set have to be subset of A cross B. Okay, and the relation set can be any subset of A cross B. Now how many subset you can form of this Cartesian product A cross B? You know the formula. If A contains P number of element, the collection or the number of total subset of A set will be 2 to the power P. Now A cross B set containing 4 element. So the total number of subset you can form of this A cross B will be 2 to the power 4, and any of these subset can be the relation set. So the possible number of relation is equal to 2 to the power 4. Okay, in this way you have to solve example number 9. So this is all for today. Thank you.